Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to export your contacts to the Google account or how you can do this. So let me directly get into it. So what you need to just follow these instructions, which is very simple. All we have to do is first of all just go over here, navigate to your contacts, click on the contacts icon over here. And as you can see, these are some of the contacts, and right now I'm going to export this to the Google account from my iPhone. So what I'm going to do is just go over here, click on at the top left, and right now we can see these are the contacts, which is around 225 contacts listed. So what I'm going to just go over here, press and hold like this, and there is an option called export. You have to click on the export, and right now once you click on the export, just wait. Now from here select everything over here. So I have to select everything and go for this one, so you can it will be taken over to this, and go to save to files. Now from here you can save it. So we can save it over here. You can just go to save, so that the contacts will be saved. And if you go to files over here, you can see all the contacts will be saved here on your device. Okay, on your system it will be saved. And right now once it is done, we need to export it. So to do so, you have to go to the Safari, and from here make sure that you signed in. So over here, as you can see, I have already signed into my particular account. So once afterwards, just go over here, tap on the Google contacts, and right now from here you have to tap on the three horizontal at the bottom, at the top left. You have to tap on this one, and there is an option called import. Tap on this one, and right now it is asking you to select a file. So tap on the select file, and right now that's going to take you to this, and this is the old contact. So what I'm going to do is select this one, and as you can see, once it is successfully done, we'll be getting this. And once it's successfully done, you have to tap on import over here, so that all the contacts over here all the contacts which you have done so far, it will be over here. Just wait for this to get completely done, and this will take a little bit of time, and once it is done, you will be able to see it. And this is how you can do it. And if you go back, you can see all these contacts actually getting visible right now. All the 207,025 contacts is here, and this is how you can do it. And I hope this quick video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye bye.